Singing particularly is very vulnerable. It's a little scary. Being vulnerable isn't something that's like really easy, but I think it's easy to do if it's like in a way that you're comfortable with. And like my way is singing music for like everyone in this building. Everyone here at Icon is in it. They're all in the same like mind space, especially the vocal program. Everyone in it and all the teachers and just everyone here in general is very supportive. And it's definitely taught me to be really confident with who I am and what I have to say, my type of music. We all don't just fit in one certain box, and being able to share that and hear other people's as well just really brings that confidence out in yourself. I think it's beautiful.